Hi, I'm Annette from PartyWow, and today I want to show you something else from our Sesame Street party range. Today we have the crepe paper streamers. It is flame resistant and bleed resistant. So the bleed resistant means the colour won't come out if it gets slightly wet, and the flame resistant is good for if it's around a cake or something, it won't just automatically set on fire. The roll is 4.8 centimetres by 9.14 metres. Basically it's got the green edging and a happy birthday with Elmo print all along. So I'll just pop that up so you can see a little bit. Basically you get the idea. So the happy birthday all the way along with Elmo. 9.14 metres long, so it's quite long. You'll probably only need 1 or 2 rolls for your party. If you have any questions about this item or anything else in our Sesame Street range, please don't hesitate to ask below and subscribe to us to see more videos. Thank you.